Hi, hello there. My name is Brian, and I'm doing my final year semester right now. And the project name is about environmental edutainment, and our target audience will be the children below 12 years old. All right, so without further ado, let me open up. So today I'm going to share the results of the whole product. All right, I'm going to open up the apps. All right, so this is the game. This is our game. All right, and just click play. And as you can see, right here, this is the air quality sensor we built, and it is based on the Arduino and with MQ135 and also a Bluetooth connection between your phone, your game, and the sensor hardware itself, right? So let me initiate the connection by clicking connect. All right, so as you can see, there's an indication on the right hand side corner. It indicates the air quality values right there. At the same time, yes, you may see the cube liter, we call it kappa right here, which is our cube pad of us. So this pad, right, is actually reflecting the results receiving from our air quality sensor. All right. And so this is a lighter, so I'm going to release a little bit of a butane gas to our air quality sensor. So it's happily dancing around, meaning that the air quality of surrounding of me right now is kind of healthy and safe. Okay, it's feeling sick. And there's an alarm beeping. Oops, it's that. Yeah, it's that. Stop releasing. Okay. Stay around for a couple of seconds. Okay. Healthy again. It's happy again. Yeah, so at the same time, please take a look on the database. On the database, right? It's plotting up the data from the user, the air quality user, the indication, as well as the timestamp and the location of the user. So it is falls under a different user device. So there are a couple of these devices already right here registered. And yeah, so the one that I just shown, right, it is keep updating. As you can see, the time right now is 11:44. Yeah, it is right now. Okay, and it is a place that I'm staying right now. Okay, and so the main idea is receiving the data from our hardware, and we're going to initiate the connection at the beginning. And after that, receiving the data from the sensor quality, the air quality sensor, we're going to push the data to the Firebase real-time database in a real-time basis. All right, and not only that. So after the user have already, I would say, adopted a cute little pad right here, right? So they can even play a game with the pad. All right. So yeah, collect a little bit of coin. Oops. Oh, yeah. And yes, they may see the kappa that they have just adopted. All right. So, for example, the air quality sensor right here, it is the name of the kappa is called Kappa Amazon. So for another sensor per se, we have another kappa, which is another pad. Yeah, so that's pretty much for the pad. Yeah, so I'm gonna just show a quick go through the method that we use to build the game, right? Right. So this is Unity. This is the environment we actually use to build the game, where we build the game, which reflecting the sensor data as well as initiating the connection between the game and the database itself. And last but not least, the air. As you can see, there's a couple of scenes in the game, right? So it's the same right here in the Unity environment. So right now you're viewing the main scene that we are using, and there are a couple of scripts right here. So all in all, we are using a C# code language to code all the relation between. All right. So that's pretty much all. And back to here. So in conclusion, right, as a result, the user can actually have a more easier way to empathize with their environment condition, more easier than ever, because it is more close to their attention. And also, I would say it is a new generation. For our young generation, there's a possibility for our young generation to really enjoy. At the same time, they learn something while playing the game. So it is a gamification idea. At the same time, it educates the children. And for the future possibilities, there are possibilities to expand to different kind of sensor, for example, the water quality sensor, a soil quality sensor, or whatnot. But at the meantime, as you can see, it is an air quality sensor, which means it is a minimal viable product to prove the concept of the connectivity between a sensor and the phone itself. And for database wise, of course, there is a future possibilities as well. Imagine when we have a ubiquitous of a deploying sensor, we may have a very huge database about the air quality per se, or even water quality of each user at their different location real time. So we may see how can we utilize the database in the future. Yeah, so that's all from me, and thank you so much for checking me out. And hope to see you guys very soon, especially in the coming Viva. All right, see you. Peace out.